stop. Before you buy the Greek gods coloring book, you need to see this. Because this isn't just another coloring book, it claims to combine ancient Greek mythology, stunning artwork and relaxation into one premium product. But is it actually worth your money, or just a nice-looking cover? In this honest review, I'll break down exactly what's inside, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and how you can get my $497 bonus bundle free if you decide to grab it. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love Greek mythology, mythical art, adult coloring books, or you're looking for a relaxing and creative activity, this review will help you decide whether the Greek gods coloring book is right for you. No hype here, just a clear, honest breakdown. What is Greek gods coloring book? This is a premium adult coloring book inspired by ancient Greek mythology, featuring powerful gods and goddesses like Zeus, Athena, Hades, Poseidon, Apollo, Artemis, and more legendary figures. Each page is designed with high detail line art, perfect for relaxation, creativity, and stress relief. It's suitable for beginners and experienced colorists, and it's designed specifically for adults who enjoy mythology and art. Key features and benefits. Here's what makes this coloring book stand out. Mythology-inspired artwork. Every illustration is inspired by Greek gods, legends, and ancient stories, giving you a unique artistic experience, not generic designs. High-quality, detailed designs. The pages are carefully crafted with bold lines and intricate details, making them easy to color, perfect for pencils, markers, or crayons, and great for frame-worthy finished art. Stress relief and relaxation. Coloring is proven to help with stress reduction, mental focus, creativity, and relaxation after long days. This book is designed specifically for calm and mindful coloring. Great for all skill levels. You don't need to be an artist. Whether you're a beginner or advanced colorist, you can enjoy this book. Perfect gift idea. This makes an excellent gift for art lovers, mythology fans, and adults who enjoy creative hobbies. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep this honest. Pros: unique Greek mythology theme, beautiful, detailed artwork, great for relaxation and stress relief, suitable for all skill levels, and excellent value for art lovers. Cons: not for kids, designed for adults, best enjoyed with quality coloring tools, and if you don't enjoy coloring, this won't be for you. Overall, the pros clearly outweigh the cons for the right audience. Who is this for? The Greek gods coloring book is perfect if you are a fan of Greek mythology, someone who enjoys adult coloring books, looking for stress relief and relaxation, interested in creative hobbies, searching for a unique gift, and if that sounds like you, keep watching. If you grab the Greek gods coloring book using my link below, I'll give you my exclusive $497 bonus bundle free. Here's what you get. Bonus 1. Mythology Coloring Master Guide, $97, tips and techniques to bring mythological art to life with color. Bonus 2. Premium Color Palette Cheat Sheets, $67, done for you color combinations for gods, shadows, and highlights. Bonus 3. Printable Mythology Coloring Pages, $77, extra exclusive printable pages inspired by Greek legends. Bonus 4. Stress Relief Coloring Routine, $67, a simple daily routine to use coloring for relaxation and mindfulness. Bonus 5. Adult Coloring Tools Buying Guide, $67, exactly which pencils, markers, and tools give the best results. Bonus 6. Frame-Worthy Art Finishing Guide, $57, how to finish, preserve, and display your colored artwork. Bonus 7. Creative Hobby Monetization Guide, $65, how some people turn coloring and art hobbies into side income. Total bonus value, $497, yours free. So, is the Greek gods coloring book worth it? If you love mythology, art, and relaxing creative activities, then yes, this is absolutely worth grabbing. And with my $497 bonus bundle included, you're getting way more than just a coloring book. Click the link in the description now, grab the Greek Gods coloring book, unlock all my bonuses instantly and start your creative journey today. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next review.